I'm doing a little TSB here, technical service bulletin. This is a older Toyota van. I think it's an 08, high mileage, and they went to get new tires. Well, the tires are worn out because it's got bad alignment here on the back. The axles are bent on both sides, but they mainly came in for brakes because they knew they needed brakes, so I just put brakes on it. Then I went for a road test, and man, there's something wrong. And I had a talk with them, and they said, yeah, there wasn't anything wrong until after we got the tires. And then I got to thinking, and I looked at here, and see right here, that rim right there, compared to over here, full of corrosion from those aluminum wheels. And these guys at the tire shops use their torque sticks and torque them onto torque. Well, the seals didn't seat, and there's all the chunks that I cut off of here. The wheels were setting on these chunks of corrosion, and they weren't running straight. So word out to you, if you got aluminum wheels on an old vehicle, you got to pay attention to this. I mean, these things could wear this off, break it off, and then the tires wouldn't be tight, lug nuts will fall off, and then the wheel would fall off because this corrosion would just fall out of there.